Karen Goldman. Step-by-step guide to rolling over your 401k to Gold IRA. If you are planning to secure your retirement by investing in gold, it's wise to consider rolling over your 401k to Gold IRA. A Gold IRA is an individual retirement account that holds physical gold and other precious metals as the primary asset. In contrast, a 401k is an employer-sponsored retirement savings account that generally holds paper assets like stocks and bonds. Rolling over your 401k to a Gold IRA provides you with better investment options and protection during market downfalls. However, before you initiate the rollover process, it's important to understand the step-by-step procedure to ensure you make informed decisions. In this video, we will guide you through the process of rolling over your 401k to Gold IRA. Step 1. Find a trustworthy IRA custodian. The first step towards rolling over your 401k to Gold IRA is to find a reputable IRA custodian. Custodians are responsible for executing the transaction on your behalf and storing the physical gold. They must be authorized to hold precious metals in an IRA. Step 2. Open a Gold IRA account. After finding a reliable custodian, you need to open a Gold IRA account. The custodian will guide you through the account application process and provide you with the required forms. Ensure that you fill in the forms correctly and submit them as required. Step 3. Initiate 401k rollover process. Contact your 401k plan administrator and inform them of your intention to roll over your funds to a Gold IRA account. They will provide you with the necessary paperwork, including a distribution request form. Step 4. Choose your gold investment. Once the funds hit your Gold IRA account, you can now invest in different gold options. Physical bullion coins or bars, exchange-traded funds, and mining stocks are some of the common investment options in Gold IRA. Step 5. Store your gold securely. Lastly, you need to store your gold in a secure location to minimize theft, damage, or loss. Most custodians will offer secure storage facilities on your behalf, where your gold will be insured against any mishap. In conclusion, rolling over your 401k to Gold IRA is a wise investment move for your retirement planning. But you must do it right to avoid costly mistakes or pitfalls. Follow the above step-by-step guide, or seek the guidance of a professional, to ensure that the process is executed efficiently and meets your retirement goals. Take control of your retirement today and secure your future with a Gold IRA.